Hello.
Mm,
Yes, good morning, Yumin. My name
yeah,
is Erica. And
right.
are you here for diagnostic test or do you need help with your NS lessons?
I want to practice this word took
Sorry?
homework. My NS course homework took sound.
Took, still with
Yeah,
the short OO sound.
yeah.
Yeah.
I didn't make oo sound, short oo sound.
Yeah, you still don't get it? You still did not pass your homework?
Yeah,
Oh, I'm sorry about that. Please hang on. Oh, huh.
I
So,
I
mm,
I passed the sentence,
okay.
but
Mm-hmm.
but this took took
Took.
this word, yeah, this word took,
Okay.
uh yeah,
Yeah, that sounds like took instead of took.
took,
Ooh, ooh.
ooh, ooh,
Okay, there's a tension from behind, from here. You should not force the sound out. You should not try to say ooh because that's long. Ooh, that's tense. Okay, so relax on the back part of your mouth.
yeah,
Ooh, ooh, ooh,
ooh, ooh, ooh, ooh,
ooh.
ooh,
It okay. Your tongue, press your tongue down. Okay, open. Do not try to touch the roof of your mouth.
okay,
Don't say ooh. Go oh ah. The
ah,
tongue, it's back, but it's lower. Ooh.
oh, 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 oh,
Oh, okay. That's more like it. And then when you read this word, it's took.
took,
Okay, a little more. Ooh, took.
ooh, took,
That's long ooh already. Ooh, that's different. Ooh,
ooh,
took,
ooh,
took.
ooh, took,
Okay. Yeah, I gave you more, I mean, words that sound like it before, right? Like look, book.
look, book,
Okay, now that sounds close to awe already. So, yeah, I mean, you got these words right before, but I think this one is a little of a struggle. Again, look, book,
look, book,
took.
took.
Okay, I think that would sound better, okay? So try to practice with that. Look, book, took, took.
Look, book, took. Oh,
Okay. Yeah. Ooh. All right.
mm,
Now for the individual sound, let's try to check it out with our tool, the one we used last time. Hang on. This one, right? Can you see
okay.
it?
Yes, I can see it.
Yes. All right. So, yeah, try doing, okay, for me when I do the ooh, ooh sound, it's within that range. Now try doing it again, short ooh sound.
Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Okay, the first one is sounding really good, but your pitch goes higher. That's why the blue dots move up. Try again.
Ooh, ooh, ooh,
Oh,
ooh, ooh,
okay, that's more
ooh.
like it. That's more like it, all right? When you do it in your recording, don't make it like because that's a schwa. That's why it gets it sounds always like a schwa. Sorry. But when you keep your lips rounded and you try to make the sound stronger, then it would longer, I mean. Ooh. Okay, then it will sound more like it. Ooh.
Oh, oh,
Okay. Yeah, that's better. Um ooh, 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 ooh. Right? For the long ooh, it goes like that. Ooh.
oh,
That's long
oh,
ooh. Ooh.
oh,
Okay.
oh,
Yeah, that those are
oh,
words like fool, right? That's long ooh. Ooh, fool. But when you relax it, your lips will be pulled back a little. Ooh, ooh, fool.
four,
When you start reading words like this, then it would go full, full, not
four,
full, full, full.
four,
Yeah,
four.
right. Mm-hmm. That's right. Okay, so you already passed your homework, the sentence for should the fool, right?
Yeah,
That was already passed. Very good. So you just have to keep working. It's okay. You don't have to submit your homework again for the short OO sound. Okay,
yeah,
if it's too difficult, you just try to keep moving on with your lessons. Keep practicing your OO, short OO. And then when you're happy or when you're confident, that's when you can record it again. All right? So that you
okay,
don't have to keep uploading, uploading, uploading. Okay?
okay.
Ooh, ooh. All right. You booked a 30-minute class with me and we did not even do half of the time. Do you want to practice the other lessons? 14 maybe?
Yeah,
Yeah, okay. For lesson 14, hang on. Let me open that book. The sound is the O. Is it the O sound or the O sound?
awesome.
Ah, okay. The AW sound, right?
Mm,
Lesson 14. All right. Hang on. Here. So have you started with this in your lessons?
yes.
Yes. All right. So let's try to take a look at your book. Here we go.
Mm,
And your homework in this lesson is this, right?
yeah.
Hall will haul. All right. Now try reading the sentence.
Pour, rear, haul, or the 40 star from the board.
Okay. That sounds good. All right. So just oh. Now you got that sound. Let's try it out here. All right. Now I want you to do the oh sound here.
Oh, oh, oh,
Okay, so that sounded perfect here, right here,
oh,
right?
mhm,
It's all
oh,
the blue dots are just confused. That's why it's going up. But yeah, that sounded perfect. Now, when you practice those three sounds with this, let's use this.
oh, mm,
You work from this. This is tense, so it's ooh, and then you relax, ooh, and then you tense again. Oh. Okay, so you see the movement of your tongue, I mean of your mouth. It's very close to this here. Ooh. This one is slightly open. Ooh. And this one is oh. Okay? So you see your jaw will drop lower and lower. So try to practice that. These three sounds. First,
ooh, ooh, ooh,
okay, see they sound the same again.
ooh, ooh, ooh,
Okay.
ooh, ooh.
All right. Try doing this 3 times and then do this 3 times. Start.
Okay. Ooh, 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 ooh.
See, they sound the same. They sounded very similar to me. Um, the muscles, especially your tongue, okay, and the back part of your mouth. Ooh, ooh. Okay, so the tongue slightly opens the mouth. All right, so instead of it being ooh, ooh. All right, so that should be like this for the short ooh. Now try this again. Oh,
All,
okay.
all,
Yeah. And then from that, try to close your mouth only a little but relax. So from oh, ooh.
all, ooh,
That's still long ooh already. Don't close it too much. Oh,
all,
ooh.
all, ooh,
That's long ooh.
ooh,
Make sure there's a difference, all right? There's one more in between ooh, oh, ooh. Okay? There's in the middle. Long ooh, ooh,
ooh,
ooh,
ooh,
oh.
all.
Okay, so yeah, work on those three levels of your jaw, all right? This one is very high. Ooh,
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 oh.
all.
Very good. Yes, so there's that level of height here, okay? So,
Yes.
yes, and the same thing with the muscles. It's relaxed when it's short oo sound.
Mhm.
Ooh, ooh, oh.
Ooh, ooh, all.
Okay, you're getting there. But then you have to keep practicing again, all right? Because sometimes when you're doing the short ooh, it sounds very close to long ooh. Now, let's try it out here. I think you can see it, right? You still can see it?
Yes.
Do the ooh sound.
Ooh,
Okay, hang on. Something's wrong. Again?
ooh,
Uh-huh, okay. If your long ooh is here, try doing your short ooh. Ooh.
ooh.
Okay. I'm sorry, something's wrong with our tool for now. Let me tone that down. How about your aw sound? Aw.
All,
Okay,
all.
your aw is right here. That's perfect. Now, ooh. Long ooh.
Oh, okay. Ooh,
Okay,
ooh,
more dots are appearing right there. And now we have to work on your short ooh again. Ooh, ooh.
ooh, ooh, ooh,
Okay, that's more
ooh,
like it. Yeah. Ooh.
ooh, ooh,
Okay.
ooh,
Okay. Yeah, you got it. All right. The relaxed sound of the ooh, ooh,
ooh,
ooh,
ooh,
ooh,
ooh,
ooh.
ooh,
Right.
ooh,
Right. Good.
ooh,
Ooh, ooh.
ooh, ooh.
But try not to make the sound like ooh, because that will be like schwa or tense. Ooh, that's not right. Okay, so relax. Ooh, ooh,
Ooh,
ooh.
ooh, ooh, ooh.
That's still long ooh. Yeah, but you got it. You got it really close. So try to practice with that. Like I said, the levels of the height. All right. Ooh, and then make sure it goes down. Ooh,
Ooh,
oh.
ooh, ah,
All right. Yeah.
ah.
So make sure it's pushing down. Okay. Ooh, ooh. All right. That's it. That's how you practice that. Okay. Any other
Okay.
concerns? Do you want to do more or?
No.
No. Okay. Yeah. So good luck. I said you don't have to record it immediately. Okay. Just
Yeah.
practice and then you record. All right.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Thank you and good luck.
Thank
Bye bye.
you. Bye.